things that I'm interested in regarding designing and making of furniture is the concept behind the piece and what story is it trying to tell.
The hand tools and hand skills still have a big relevance in woodworking today.
It almost goes without saying that we will be looking for pieces which are very well made from well-chosen materials. But we'll also be looking for pieces which have individuality.
I've developed a really keen interest for furniture, as many of my colleagues have. So to hear that we were going to be involved in this was really exciting, and I can't wait to see what people will be bringing to the table.
The award encourages readers to get creative and share their pieces and be in with the opportunity of winning fantastic prizes. We're really excited to see who the winners are, and so good luck to all those of you who have entered.
This is an important award celebrating the legacy of a prominent British furniture designer maker. Now, if you are over 18 years of age, a resident citizen of the British Isles, and you have a flair and passion for woodworking, you know what to do.